Hi everyone, Madan here. Do you know the speciality of October 2nd? Yes, yeah, we all know it is our Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, and it is also a day of non-violence. As a teetotaler, I must admit, I'm so happy that the all the liquor shops will be closed on that day. October 2nd is also an important day for me. Last year, 2024, that is when we started to um, deliver HabitZup Card Game to our friends and well-wishers. It was a very early stage concept of positive habits game in Uno kind of a form. Many parents asked a question like, "Why a card game?" Some people used it as a digital detox, like they don't want people to have a lot of screen time, and some people used as a conversation starter, and we also ran a couple of workshops in corporates to help the teams bond together well. And some people did ask tough questions, why a card game? My family doesn't treat card games well. All of us know last month, the Indian government had banned all money betting games online. And people used to treat the card games as those kind of games. It is kind of a teaches a wrong habit. But we wanted to choose a form factor which our next generation can use it easily and learn from it, use it positively.